Hi everyone, in this video I will guide you how to insert line numbers in Word document like this one. You can see that the numbers are continuous here. So how you can do that? So first you need to go to the layout option on the menu bar. Under the page setup group you will see that line numbers. You need to click this arrow and here you can see that multiple options. You need to click the continuous numbering option, and here you can see that the line number has been inserted. And if you want to remove these number, you need to go to the layout again and click on the line number and click on none. Moreover, if you can specific number to the line number, you can also do that. You need to click on the layout again and go to the line numbers, and on the line numbering option click on that and go to the third tab, which is the layout tab, and you need to click on the line number, and here you need to click on the add the numbering. For example, you want to the a specific number. For example, you want to start the line number from 5 and add 2 from every line number, so you need to count by clicking on 2 and click OK, and now click OK. And here you can see that the page is started from 6 and 2 numbers are added in the every line numbering. So in this way you can easily insert line number in Word document. I hope you understand. So if you think this video fix your problem, so please support my channel. Thanks for watching.